Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy cheesecake recipe. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine these ingredients well. Then, press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a delicious, sturdy base for your creamy cheesecake. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. Start with 24 ounces of softened cream cheese, beating it until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar, mixing until just combined. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, 1 at a time, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember to mix on low speed and stop as soon as everything is incorporated to prevent cracks. Baking your cheesecake perfectly is key. Pour the filling over your prepared crust. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best texture. Finally, the fun part, toppings. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, you can get creative. Fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries are always a classic choice. A simple fruit compote, chocolate ganache, or a rich caramel sauce also make fantastic additions. Enjoy your homemade, easy cheesecake. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.